This is really exciting being here today. This has been a number of years in the planning now, and to see this activity happening behind us means that the project is very real, it is happening, and it will be delivered in 2023. The Chullora Heritage Hub is our new integrated storage, maintenance, restoration facility. It'll give us the opportunity to bring together in one location all of those activities on the wider heritage fleet. We have some 300 items of rolling stock. This will be the hub for the storage and maintenance and back of house activities.
My name's Chris Daffin. I'm Project Director with South and West Rail Delivery. The Chullora Heritage Hub is a special project. It will help ensure the preservation of New South Wales heritage rolling stock. The building we are restoring is known as the Tank Annex. The building was in a poor state and disused for many decades. Needless to say, it needed a fair bit of TLC to bring it back to its former glory.
As you can see here, we've got a number of works taking place. Cladding's been removed, a lot of it was damaged over the years from the weather. The whole point of this project is to make this building weathertight due to the sensitive assets that are being stored inside. So we actually modify the front structural steel structure. We have to make the structure higher because the trains themselves won't necessarily fit with the current doors that are there. And then the main marshalling yard for loading the trains will be positioned in front. We've come in, undertaken a number of structural slab repair, a lot of internal painting as well. So you can see now the warehouse is painted shale grey, which is a heritage-friendly sort of colour. Installing a special UV resistant and thermal resistant fiberglass. It shields about 99% of the UV radiation from outside, which is the main cause to damage of heritage material inside. We're on track to completing the project in mid-23. At that point, we hand over to the track guys who will start installing 6 sets of track. From that point in, they can start loading the old heritage trains into this building for safekeeping.
The second stage of the development here at the Heritage Hub at Chullora is indeed the locomotive workshop building, and that is going to be refurbished for our restoration and maintenance facilities.
Transport for New South Wales is really proud to be partnering with Transport Heritage New South Wales and Orenco, our delivery partner. The Chullora Heritage Hub is a great example of how Transport for New South Wales is working with Transport Heritage New South Wales and creating together to deliver sustainable outcomes for future generations.